Hi, I'm Edman. Let's make a track. First, drums. Nice. A little bass. Alright. Now guitars and pads. Good. All what's left to do is grab the mic and sing. Follow for more.